Just the other day I went tumbling down the stairs. I hit Legos at the top of the steps and went flying through the air. Well, I don't care too much for Legos. Legos can suck my balls. I went on out to the city zoo to try to see some animals. I only got to see one kind of beast, man. I'm feeling a bit ripped off. Well, I don't care too much for monkeys. Monkeys can't suck my balls, can't suck my balls. Hate those goddamn things, can't suck my balls. The poo didn't even blink. Finally got home and I sat on the couch and I turned on the TV. After flipping around, I finally found Robin Williams looking back at me. Well, I don't care for damn Jumanji. Jumanji can't suck my balls. Oh, yeah. Can't suck my balls. It's full for monkeys. Can't suck my balls. It's not even PG. I'm sitting up here listening to this song, searching for some new ideas. I'm racking my brain, thinking of words that change, man. It's time to go get a beer. Well, I don't care too much for lyrics. Lyrics can't suck my balls, can't suck my balls. Balls can't suck my balls.